Here we have the Geneva model 4634G. This is a silver tone 4-time zone wall clock. View your time zone in New York, London, Tokyo, and the center time for wherever you live here in the US. Quartz accuracy, brushed silver tone finished metal casing. Yes, it's all polished aluminum. High quality glass lens, edge style gray metal hands. It does take 4 AA batteries to operate this clock. This clock reflects a global form of reference, which I like, which would work in any office, boardroom, man cave, maybe even garage. Quality by Geneva.